Hey Candy Kings and Queens, welcome back. Thank you guys again for tuning in. As always, I appreciate you, boo. Thank you. Good looking. In today's episode, I wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes tour of what my setup looks like. So if you would like to learn more about my setup and what I do and the tools and equipment that I use, then make sure you stay tuned. Welcome back. Okay, so a lot of you guys comment and ask me, what camera do you use, or what lighting do you have? You know, asking all kind of nice and cool questions that I don't mind answering, of course. And for those of you who have not asked questions but you're still wondering, I got you, boo. I'm gonna fill you in, okay? So yes, the camera that I use, or that I'm currently using right now, is the Canon 80D. It is one of the more professional DSLR cameras that's on the market right now. Unfortunately, I'm not saying that that's what you have to do is go out and spend a lot of money on the camera. Yes, it's a pretty expensive camera. It's not cheap, okay? So it was just an investment that we had already made because we have other things in life going on. So it was kind of a multi-usage thing for us. Like, we don't just use our camera for vlogging or for making these awesome cool videos for you. I use my camera to make money, okay? So if you would like to invest in a camera, by all means, yes, it is a very good camera that I would consider, or I would tell you guys to go ahead and purchase. Okay, if you're not ready to make that big purchase, I got a little something for you, right? So Home Shopping Network and QVC always have specials, always have deals where it's basically like a layaway plan, so you could get your camera from one of them. I don't know if they carry this particular camera, but I know that they have like upgraded cameras, and I'll check to see if they do. If they do have it, I'll make sure to link it down below so you can click the link and go to it. But what you'll do is make a couple of easy payments on it every month. I think it's how it works. It's 6 months is what most of them do. Like, you'll make a layaway plan or a layaway payment on it, but you'll have your camera immediately. They'll send that out to you like next day or whatnot. But anyway, that's just a little tip that you can use, you know, if you wanted to. And by all means, I'm not knocking anybody who doesn't want to or who can't afford it. You know, I'm just giving you another alternative as to how you can possibly upgrade your equipment for the low, okay? And my iPhone users out there, yes, baby, I'm an iPhone 7, okay? I haven't upgraded to the latest yet, 10 or XR, XX, whatever it is out there. Honey, Apple come out with too many products. It's like Jordans. Every week you gotta buy a new one. I'm not interested, okay? So use your phone. I hear that the Galaxy has some pretty good coverage. I know for a fact that my iPhone takes really good pictures and the camera on it is amazing. So yes, use your phone, okay? That is the number one choice for most YouTubers anyway, or for most vloggers. So you can use this for all types of reasons. The second thing that I use to help make my videos look so good or extra clean and popping is my lighting system that I have. It is one of a kind, okay? My husband is very creative, so he helped me out and he built this cool little lamp or ring thing for me. It's not a ring to say though. Mine is shaped like a square maybe, or a rectangle, but it's not all the way. So like, I only have 3 lights, okay? It's like 2 on the side and 1 up here. So it's an overlight and my 2 side lights. You can easily achieve this look by using the box lights or the ring light that everybody talks about or shows, and I'll put some links down there to kind of help you out and lead you in the right direction. The lights that I have only cost us $6.99 each, okay? Each one, it was like $6.99 for this one, $6.99 for this one, and $6.99 for that one. They're just regular LED pull the switch, pull the plug lights, and we got an extension cord, rigged it up, and voila, we in there. But don't talk about my system, okay? I'm gonna show you guys, but don't talk about it. But it works for me, okay? So just like I'm telling you, you do what you do and do what works best for you. I'm only giving you a little tour, okay? Because you're asking, okay? All right, so The next thing that I use to help improve the quality of my video or to make my videos look so extra, of course, is my iMovie. If you have a phone already, you have iMovie on your phone. Let's see if I can pull the app up. Okay, yeah, y'all will be seeing too much on my phone. But anyway, yes, iMovie, I'll put it up here so you see it. This is what the iMovie icon looks like, and it comes on all of the Mac products, so you can get it on your iPhone, you can get it on your iPad. I think it has to be iPad Air or higher, iPad Air 2 or higher, and I could be wrong about that, so I'm sorry. Just look it up. It'll tell you if your particular iPad is compatible with iMovie or not. I have an iMac that we use, and it also comes with the iMovie on it already. From what I hear, it's a pretty amateur program. However, it works really well for me. It's really easy and simple to use, and it makes me look like I know what I'm doing. So thank you, Apple. Okay. And for those of you who do not have Apple or Mac products, I hear that there's a very cool program out there called Filmora 9, I think is the name of it, that works well. And I, again, could be wrong. I'm not a PC user. I'm not a expert when it comes to the PC rules and guidelines and what's included and what's not included. Okay, just throwing it out there for you to take a little in-depth look. You can do your own research and find out what works. So that's pretty much it for what I use to make my videos look so awesome and so cool. And I thank you guys for giving me that compliment, because yeah, I'm on the inside looking out. And to me, it's like, okay, I'm really scared and nervous, and I'm thinking that it's not that good, but you guys always let me know, like, hey, that's some good quality, you know. So thank you. I appreciate you, boo. Thank you. And I hope that these tips were helpful for you, and I hope that this information was very helpful for you, and that you can maybe make some upgrades or look into the future making some upgrades, because y'all know them sales will be coming up, right? We got the 4th of July coming up. What else is a big one? Oh, Black Friday, of course. You know, just save your coins between now and then, and you'll be ready, honey, to make that big purchase or to make that big upgrade, you know, to make them jazzy videos that you want. And again, by all means, don't go out of your way doing something that is not called for, because if what you got going on right now is working, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, and it's just that simple. So thank you guys again so much for tuning in and checking your girl out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned and up to date with the latest video, okay? You don't want to be missing out, honey, because I always got something good, always.